Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add non-Steam games to your Steam library. This is perfect if you want to organize all your games in one place or use Steam features like the overlay with games from other platforms. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Add a Game. Go ahead and click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Add a non-Steam game. This option allows you to integrate external games into your Steam library so you can launch them directly from Steam. After clicking this, a window will pop up showing you a list of games and applications that Steam has automatically detected on your computer. Browse through this list carefully and look for the non-Steam game you want to add. Once you find it, simply check the box beside the game's name. This tells Steam that you want this particular game added to your library. Now, if you can't find your game in the list that appears, don't worry. Steam might not have detected it automatically, especially if it's installed in a custom location or isn't a widely recognized title. In this case, click the Browse button in the bottom left panel. This will open a File Explorer window where you can manually navigate to the folder where your non-Steam game is installed. Locate the game's executable file, which is usually the file you click to launch the game, and select it. Once you've either checked the boxes of the games from the list or selected your game through the Browse option, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will now process your selection and add the chosen games to your library. This might take just a moment, but it's usually very quick. To confirm that your game has been successfully added, click on Library in the upper left corner of the Steam window. This will take you to your main game library where all your Steam and non-Steam games are displayed. In the left panel, scroll through your list of games and look for the non-Steam game you just added. You should see it listed there with all your other titles, and you can now launch it directly from Steam whenever you want. And that's it. You've successfully added a non-Steam game to your Steam library, making it easier to manage all your games in one convenient place. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.